This limited edition men's Graham Chronofighter Oversize is a new, extremely rare luxury watch. Defining a sporty style all its own, this timepiece beautifully combines stainless steel, PVD, and a little bit of color to amp up the scene. The steel case features a PVD-coated bezel that sleekly surrounds a metallic blue dial with an orange outer rim. PVD also coats the steel button and trigger to the left. Together with the dark blue rubber strap, this timepiece shifts your appearance into full gear, making you stand out in a crowd. Powered by a Graham caliber G1734 automatic movement, this watch is top-notch. The two black subdials feature Subsidiary seconds and a 30-minute counter. A date window sits above 7 o'clock. This is one intense timepiece. "300 watches, infinite possibilities."